at John Adams Elementary in South Oklahoma City, and joining me is Miss Ganjanathavada, and also known as Mrs. G, obviously.
Yes,
so,
that's good.
Miss G, tell us a little bit about the garden here and how you've incorporated it into your curriculum.
Oh my gosh, this is totally hands-on. It's hands-on science at its best, and it's nature for the kids. We start with soils. We teach different types of soils in Oklahoma. Then we go into the plants and planting the seedlings. Then we learn to maintain it by weeding, getting the little critters, the bugs out, and then we actually harvest at the end of the season.
So they're learning about science and cooking and recipes and math.
They are.
And watering.
Yes. They have a science lesson about the plants, the life cycle of the plants, and before they come out and actually do a project in the garden.
So you almost do a lab and then the lecture out here, basically.
Exactly,
so
we do.
These are second graders, is that
second
correct?
grade, second grade.
So does every second grader rotate through the garden
Yes,
at some point?
yes. We have 4 second grade classrooms, and so they come up, the master gardeners, and they teach 2 classes. And then they come following 2 weeks later and the other 2. So we rotate the kids through it.
All right, and they do this in the spring and in the fall, so they get to see different crops each season, I guess?
Oh, we have grown, besides the flowers, we've grown cabbage, carrots, radishes, onions.
So what are you seeing in the kids and how they react to the garden?
That they're learning, they're excited, they actually get to touch what they're learning, they get to experience it, eat it, smell it. And it's teaching them and also how to care for another living organism, and that's important.
And is that some qualities that maybe you don't normally see in the classroom when they're in the textbook and that sort of stuff?
And on technology.
Yeah,
exactly. It's good to get them out here in nature.
That's fantastic, and also they're getting a little energy out in the garden too.
Exactly. Oh, when the master gardeners come into the classroom, they cheer every time. They cheer. They can't wait.
And we have to give a big shout out to the Oklahoma County Master Gardeners because they've done some modified junior master gardener programming here.
Yes, and their lessons, a lot of them are retired teachers, and their lessons are incredible. I learn from their lessons, but they teach wonderful science lessons for these children.
That's fantastic. So how long has this garden been here?
We have been doing this program for at least 6 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, the raised beds seem like a good way, and it's the right height for the kids to get in there.
Oh, yeah.
And I noticed some of them were picking caterpillars and things like that off of the plants.
Yes. Well, this was started, we had a teacher, she's not here any longer, Miss Pizzuto. She began this program 6 years ago, and so she had the community come out, the moms and dads, and they built this.
Fantastic.
So she got the supplies, but the community put it together.
That's good. Are the parents and volunteers still involved?
They're involved with, especially during the summer when we need to keep it watered. We have outdoor watering, so the parents come up and take care of it. They water, they'll weed, they take weeds out. They do.
That's excellent. And once again, it takes one leader, but then it takes a team of people to really make it work.
Yes, it does.
Fantastic.
Yes,
Thank you for sharing this, Ms.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you came today.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.